Hey, so today we are in Hidden Point neighborhood at 2513 Painted Desert Run. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath ranch. It's only 2 years old. Now you could build this home brand new today, but there are a lot of hidden advantages from buying a 2-year-old home. So let's go check those out. So there's a lot of hidden costs when you buy a new home, but when you buy a 2-year-old home, those things are already done for you. You've got plantation blinds already hung and installed here. You've got upgraded gas range. You've got laundry facilities that are going to be included with the sale. So all of those hidden costs when you buy a new home are already taken care of for you here in this 2-year-old home. And the upgrades continue here in the backyard where you get a double wide patio slab, and you're gonna love enjoying your morning coffee overlooking this private farm where 2 horses live and graze every day.